Hi all. So in the last video, we already started the development of REST API with the Node.js. Now it's time to connect the database to our Node.js application. I already told that I will be using a MongoDB database for our Node.js application. For connecting the MongoDB database to Node.js application, we will use Mongoose. Mongoose is a way to make connection with MongoDB database. Basically, it's act like a intermediate layer between the MongoDB and Node.js application. It provides MongoDB validation and query in a very simple manner, and it make development fast. So let's start. So this is a code where I left yesterday. Now it's time to install the Mongoose package in our Node.js application. Just hit the npm install mongoose on a terminal and it will install Mongoose on our Node.js application. So let's wait to install it. Now it's installed. We can see on a package.json file that Mongoose is installed in our Node.js application. Now let's import Mongoose on our index.js file. Let's import it. Now let's make a connection to our MongoDB database with help of Mongoose. Basically we can do this way, otherwise we can go to the official documentation of the Mongoose. I will show that where is the official documentation of Mongoose that will help us to connect the MongoDB database to our Node.js application. So let's search it on a browser and open the official documentation of Mongoose. So here is the code that we will connect our local servers of MongoDB in our Node.js application. We can also connect the remote server of MongoDB in our Node.js application, but right now I will connect the local server. So for that we need to start our MongoDB database in our system. So for that, let's start the MongoDB database on our local system. Hit the command sudo service mongod start and it will start the MongoDB daemon. We can change it by using mongo command that is started. Now it's time to run our server. I am using a node mod for running the server. So it started and there is a deprecating warning in our terminal, but I want to print a message if the MongoDB connection will establish between Node.js application and MongoDB. So I will create a variable called connection. There is a API that will provide and give a callback after the connection of the MongoDB. So let's print a message after the connection is established. So it will call back a function where I will console log that MongoDB connected. Hit save and I am getting a warning, and this is the warning because I called a function there. I have to just pass the reference. So now it's read. Now the MongoDB is connected message is printing. Now let's change the package.json file script. After I will hit the npm start, it will start the actual server, that is the node server. but I am using the NodeMon for the development server. So I am writing a start script, that is dev, that if I will run the npm run dev, then it will start the server using the NodeMon. So if I will start using npm start, then it will run the server using the node command, but we have to run it through the NodeMon command. So let's run npm run dev and it will start the server using NodeMon command. So now it's working and MongoDB is also connected. So we are at the end of the video. So if you find interesting of this video tutorial, please hit subscribe and like the video. It will motivate me to publish a new video daily. Thank you again.